Hey, it's Don here. Welcome to AI Store Fortune. In this demo video, I'll walk you through my latest product, the Done-For-You AI Store, and how to install it. As you can see, we have a beautiful website here with everything pre-designed and preloaded. Attractive hero section with techie design style, all the banners for each product category. The featured product section, popular categories, the top-rated products. The product page is clean and optimized for user experience and conversion. Everything is designed to eliminate all the hard work on the store owner's end. User flow is designed to be extremely simple. So when I say it's a done-for-you store, I really meant it. This is a website with pre-done copy and graphics. All the products come ready to sell right out of the box. Just install, plug a payment method, and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at a store customer's perspective. The site also comes with a beautiful, clean, and easy-to-use account system. Customers can view their order and access purchased GPTs easily. They can use the GPTs with a free ChatGPT account and the AI prompts with any platform they prefer. Here's the main shop page with product listings and quick filters. Customers can filter by price range and categories and sort products through multiple options. So let's see how easy it is to install the site. I have a fresh WordPress site here. Let's go to its admin dashboard, go to Plugins, and install the backup plugin. WP Vivid is my preferred plugin, but I provide files for all-in-one WP migration as well. After installing and activating the plugin, we can upload the provided backup file and start installing. After uploading the file, we'll begin restoring the backup. The installation time depends on your hosting's performance, but with my setup, you can install the site on any average hosting in 5 to 10 minutes. After the installation is done, you'll have a fully done store, ready to work right out of the box. This Done-For-You AI store is perfect for anyone who wants to finally make money selling GPTs and AI prompts to online and offline businesses, and is great for anyone who's looking to build a high-potential e-commerce business with 99% of the work done for them. I repeat, 99% of the work is done. Just install, plug in any preferred payment method, and this store is ready to run. So if you're interested in promoting AI Store Fortune, check out my JV page at dfyfortune.com. AI-JV. We're launching on Tuesday, August 26th, 2025 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Get in touch with me if you need anything. And thanks for watching.